Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to save or export your images inside Illustrator to JPEG or PNG. Okay, there's a few ways to do this. The first current one is just make an artboard. Okay, so here that is already specified. Here the size of the artboard, the height and the width. Okay, what you do is you press Ctrl Alt Shift S. Okay, and then from here you can either save it in JPEG or in PNG. For this one, we're going to save it in JPEG. Okay, the sizes are here. I just put the quality on 60% because it's a bit lighter. So I'll save it. Put a new file. JPEG and PNG files. Okay. Wizard only one. Okay. Now this one, I want to save it in PNG. Okay. To have a transparent background, make sure there's nothing on the artboard. Okay, just this area. So same thing, select the artboard because you can select per artboard. The black indication indicates that you're selecting this artboard. Here it lights up in black. You're selecting this artboard. So same thing, Ctrl Alt Shift S. Okay, but this time from here you select PNG 24. Okay, there the boxes here at the back symbolizes that it's in PNG, so it's transparent. Okay, here are the sizes, and you must always click the transparency to make sure that it's transparent. Okay, save. Okay, I'll save at the same place, desktop, JPEG and PNGs, but this time call it PNG Wizard. Okay, so let's just check it out. Okay, as you can see, this is transparent. PNG, and the one that we save in JPEG is not transparent but is in JPEG format. Okay, now the other quick and for me a better and faster way to do it is you click on Windows, then you find Asset Export. Once you click the Asset Export here, Windows Asset Export, the Asset Export will pop up. Okay, so what you do is you can just drag this into the Asset Export. Okay, then the image comes here. Then you can drag the other one and put it in. Okay, you see what happens? It becomes different images. In order not to do this, to make it one image, you need to group it. So you select all of these objects and group it. Ctrl G for group. Then you drag. So it becomes one entity. So I just want to save asset 2. So what I do is here there's export. I can even like enlarge, the size for the PNG if I want. Okay, and I just click asset 2 times the scale, PNG, export. Alright, select the folder you want, in this case new 2. Okay, select folder. You can't rename it, you just select the folder first. So once you select the folder, it automatically saves. So let's check out. Desktop, new 2. Alright, you can see here it's in PNG, it's saved. Okay, let's try saving it in JPEG, but save both of it in JPEG. Select JPEG 100. Okay, select both of it, export, select the new 2 folder, select folder. Okay, and it's automatically saved. Now let's check it out. Okay, you see you have our PNG now, but also the JPEG. of asset 3 and asset 2. So since it's JPEG, it's not transparent, the background. So JPEG, JPEG, PNG. Alright, that's about it. See you again.